everyone, now do you promote your business using LinkedIn lead ads? Then you're on the correct video, guys. Now, what is going to happen that every time in your business, a new lead will be generated through your ad campaign that you're running. You will see the leads data will be created as a record automatically in Google Sheets. No one is writing the leads details manually. Everything is done automatically. You don't believe me? I'll show you how. So this is my LinkedIn lead form. I will generate a new lead in front of all of you. Firstly, it is asking for my lead's email address, for which I'll write over here as, okay, so this is the email address, new.lead@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number right here. After doing that, the name of the lead is Pabbly. This is the last name dot. Company name is Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. Now, why the data are pre-filled? Because currently I don't have a paid campaign running with LinkedIn. This is just a default campaign that I have created. So that is why I'm generating the lead with the pre-filled details. But if you have a paid campaign running with LinkedIn, you will not see the pre-filled data just like this. Okay. So now in front of all of you, I'm going to submit this lead. As soon as you can see it's this information sent to Pabbly, you will see automatically the record of the leads data will be created in front of you within few seconds. First name Pabbly, last name dot. This was the phone number. Email is new.lead@pabblytudes.com, where the company name is Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. So as now you can see the record of the leads details is created in Google Sheets. So this is how the setup is actually going to work for you. A new lead will be generated through your LinkedIn campaign. Automatically will see that lead will be added in your Google Sheets without hiring a team or giving this task to anyone, and focusing on bigger aspects of your business. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create this setup for your business without need of any technical, coding and programming skills through the amazing software Pabbly Connect. To create this setup, we have to use an automation software, and the best one is Pabbly Connect. As a business owner, I've been using this software myself for years now, created 1,000+ automations using this software. So now if you're planning to purchase Pabbly Connect as well, you can purchase their yearly or one-time plans. There are amazing discounts on both of the type of plans. And then if you want additional discounts on top of existing ones, if you're planning to purchase the software, you can use my code on the left side of my screen, ANGYT, to get instant and amazing discounts. So go ahead, use the code. It will give you the highest discount possible, and it's for the limited time only. So go ahead and use it fast as much as you can. With that, if you want to first test out Pabbly Connect and its features, and then purchase their yearly or one-time plans, sign up for free from here. If you have not logged in yet, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the task, you can check out the features of Pabbly Connect and purchase their plans. Okay, I'm already a user, so I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and create the template for this workflow. Now, if you want the template that I'm using this video as well, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. It's absolutely free to use. My trigger is LinkedIn lead notifications. As soon as through my LinkedIn campaign, a lead is generated, I want the trigger should capture the response of that instantly. That is why I've selected this application and the event. Click on this connected button. Add new connection, connect with LinkedIn. After that, you need to provide the password of your account right here. So for the password, I'll write over here as, so this is my password. I will enter it, and automatically LinkedIn is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. After the connection has been created, refresh the field once and you will see the sponsored account, with the help of which you are promoting the campaign. I have created my sponsored account in the name of Pabbly ad account. So I'm going to select that account from here and simply click on the save and send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether LinkedIn lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will generate a new test lead in front of all of you, and then let's see whether the leads data is captured in the trigger or not. Okay, so now for generating the lead, this is my campaign ad form. So as I'm going to click on this button, it is asking for the lead's email address again, for which I'll write over here as testaccount@pabblytudes.com. After that, it is asking for my phone number. Let me edit this first. Yes. Now for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number right over here. Okay. Then click on the submit button. First name Pabbly, last name dot, company name Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. Okay. As now the lead has been generated, it will take 5 to 10 seconds for the response of the new lead that is generated to be captured in the trigger. So you might have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and I will show you the response that is captured of the lead. Okay, so the response has arrived. It's the same lead, test.account@pabblytudes.com, the phone number, first name Pabbly, last name dot, Company name is Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. Okay, so now as the response has been captured over here in the trigger, LinkedIn lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's add this leads data in our Google Sheets. For that, we will be using Google Sheets add new row step. Click on this connect option, add new connection, sign in with Google. After that, select the account with the help of which you've created your spreadsheet, and then give the permission of the account, as this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I will select over here the spreadsheet in the name of LinkedIn leads details, where I want to keep the record of my leads, and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select that. These are the headers that you will create in your spreadsheet. It is going to appear like this inside Pabbly Connect. For data of the each field, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a slash previous step is going to appear where you have received the first name of the lead. So select the data from the previous response, which makes this data mapped. And as now this data is mapped, it's now dynamic. In simple words, now whenever the new leads data will be captured in the previous step, that new first name will be updated in place of this mapped data. Okay. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the last name. I will map the data of the phone number. I'll map the data of this email address, as well as I will map the data of this company name. After that, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. I have received this response with the spreadsheet ID. That's a positive response, and the record of this lead test.account@pabblytudes.com, the company name, phone number, first name, last name, the same leads data is captured as a record. So this is how you create the connection between these two applications, between LinkedIn lead ads and Google Sheets, without need of any technical, coding and programming skills with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. Every time a new real lead for your LinkedIn lead campaign will be generated, in the similar manner, the record of the leads details will be kept. Okay. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.